Hey everybody, have you ever wondered why all the light motion animation tutorials are like not beginner friendly and you sometimes forget what to do? Well, I'm going to show you how to do it. So you just first you gotta make your project, click on create project. You made all that already, but I'm just making sure. Then you gotta click, if you're making a short, click on this one, but you don't have to if you don't want to. If you are making a video, you can click on this one, or click on the rest of these three. Or you can click on this one and make your own size. I'm going to go with this one because it works best for me. Then you're gonna click on create project. And when you click after that, you may get one. Okay, so then you'll be in here with a timeline, a play button to see your plan, how you did it, a bucket flip button so you can open the little places, you know how you put all the time to remind things on YouTube. That's kind of like how it is. There's a redo and an undo button in case you make a mistake. I have a layer button and a little thing over here. I don't remember what this is called. Then you're gonna click, and there's also another thing that's in this corner right here. This is where you get all your stuff. We're not going to get like all those other stuff, so click on that, and there you go. You have other things, but there's a new thing in CapCut where you can use template, but I'm not going to use a template because we want to show. You're going to go into your freehand drawing, and if you want to use your own, if you want to draw your own pictures and animate it. First, if you want to animate different parts and you don't want it to do it, I would recommend you just do it a different way. So first, I'm going to draw Astro from Danny's way. If I were to draw him all together in the spine, it wouldn't animate right, because you want to add different bits. So I'm just going to draw a very not detailed picture of Astro from Danny's way. Now, if you want to move like Astro's cap, which is right here, then I made that mistake. So I will click the undo button, and this is the redo button, and this is the undo button, in case you get mixed up. Then you can click out of this anywhere on the frame to get out of your drawing if you're done. Then you go into another freehand drawing. There's the drawing too. You're not on this drawing. You can click out of it if you want to. Then I'm going to draw Astro's cap now. I'm drawing. I've got the black here. And then, but if you want to add a color, like imagine if you wanted to make like this type of color, that, and then put it all the way up with that, and then add a little bit. If you wanted to do that and any sort of color, you see that not visible stuff right there that doesn't seem like it's there for any other colors, click on that and then it will be in it. The little thingy that you can add it onto is right over here. I already clicked. So then you're going to separate everything, like how you make a YouTube page. You now I'm going to make another one. Then you're going to make this blindfold. And if you and there you go. If you finish your drawing, then you can click on any item. Right here is move and transform. Right here. If you want to animate it, you click on that. I'm going to animate it. It says swipe here to move around. That's to like move it. But to actually animate, you may think you just move it around and it'll animate, but no, that's not how you animate. You see this little plus diamond right here? Click on that. Click on that. That's a little gem thing. And if you want to get rid of it, they will show it again and you can get rid of it. So I'm going to animate. Let's just click. I can move it out. Actually, out. Out. And then we'll move it up in. So, I animated. You can too. So I'm going to show you how all of the things. So first, this is where you move around stuff. So swipe your finger to move it. And here's how you can rotate things on the virtual body of it. That. And here is where you can move it in and out. Like I showed you. Here is where you move it to one side and the other side, the other way. And here is where you can do the exact same thing. It's a bit different as you can see. Then I'm going to finish my animation. So it may look a little bulky. Your animation looks a little bulky. A little bit bulky when you're done it. Now I'm done with my animation. You need to have a lot of things, but as you look at it, it looks a bit bulky, as you can see. When you have a lot of, when you're done your animation and you have enough keyframes, so I'm going to finish my animation. Then also to select something, which I'm going to do right now. I want you to get the top, then I just click on it, and there is a little thing, white thing around it to make sure that I know that I have it. You can also hold, and there will be a layer selected, and you have selected your layer. But I don't know any other ways to do it, but there you go. Layer selected. Then, well, then if you have the keyframes and the animation looks a bit bulky, you click on this right here. Just a little thing right around. And you can click on that and you'll have accidentally went off there. Then you'll have this thing and a few things over here. These things right here, and there'll be a big thing. To do it, just copy curve. Then you have this right here. You'll have two little arrows right here. To get where I have up, you click this. You click on the front arm. There you have a bunch of things to do. Smooth animation, I recommend this one. It'll look a bit less smoky. Then you go do the same thing for a little bit. It's for animating. And your animation. And you have an ALIGHT motion watermark. If you didn't do free trial, then you will be able to remove it. You can put it on top or the bottom. I'm going to put it on the top. And there you go. Now you can start animating on ALIGHT motion, and it will be way easier than any other app. Hope you enjoyed, and bye everybody!